In this video, we're going to take a look at the idea of continuity and specifically dealing with a piecewise function. All right, it says find the value of a so that the function is continuous everywhere. And we've got this piecewise function here, and the a is here. All right, now if you just kind of, without even trying to sketch it or anything like that, this is a cubic equation for x is less than or equal to 1. So I've got a part of a cubic equation to the left of my x value for 1. This is going to be a linear equation for x is greater than 1. So to the right-hand side of 1, then I'm going to have a straight line. Okay, so I just need to know, okay, well, what number is going to go right here to make it continuous everywhere? So it's a matter of everything is focused around this 1. So basically, I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to plug it into the top portion or this cubic portion of the piecewise function. And then I'm going to take 1 and plug it in for x into the linear portion. And then I'm going to set those two things equal to be able to solve for a. Okay, so showing or organizing that work. If I did f of 1, then that means plug it here into the top. I'm going to have a 3 times x to the third, plugging in the 1, 3 times 1 to the third. That's just going to give me a 3. Now, if I could take the 1 and plug it in for x in the bottom portion of the function, so again, f of 1, but this time I'll have the ax plus the 5. Plugging in 1 for the x, I'm going to have an a plus a 5. Okay, so now I can take these two quantities, set them equal to each other, and solve for a. So I'm going to have a 3 equals an a plus 5. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So negative 2 equals a. So a pretty straightforward algebra steps there to be able to solve this. But you've just got to be thinking about, okay, it is a piecewise function. It's got two pieces there. You know, what is that a value? And it's all centered around at 1 because your two pieces are approaching at 1 there. And then that's where the change occurs. So definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.